ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाखीय बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद पेज नंबर 343 yesterday in the fourth line in Bhashya. Devebhyah pratte. So I told you it is pradatte. What is it? There is a sutra for that. Note that down. Acha upasargat taha. That shabda is pradatte. But because of this sutra, it will appear only as pratte. Acha upasargat taha. 7447. Sutra number is the easy to remember. 7447. Then in that same page, Tika first line. Sampratitanam. Sampratitanam, this tulau and tut, these are the pratyas. So because of that, if it is like sayan tana, chiran tana, adyatana, anadyatana, that tana comes. So here also it is samprati tana. Sayam chiram, this is the sutra we have seen earlier. Sayam chiram prahve pragre vyayebhya tulau tutcha. This is the sutra 4323. The meaning is, like if it is said sayantana, means sayam bhava, sayantana. In that time, sampratitanam means that which is there in now. Idanim. Samprati means idanim. Sampratitanam means now. Anushtanam anukulayati. Okay. In Tika, so one annam sadharanam, dve for devatas, then one for pashu, that is being discussed. Pashubhyaha payaha. In Bhashya we saw katham punaha avagamyate pashavasya annasya swaminah ityata aha. Annasya swaminah pashavaha, how that this is the pashavaha asya annasya swaminah. Pashu are the consumer of this annam. How do we know that? In Tika, last line, page 344. Pashavo द्विपादश्चतुष्पादश्च इति श्रुतिम आश्रित्य मनुष्याश्च इति उक्तम. So Manushya is also covered. Dvipadah. See now. Dvipadah. Dvipadah is ekvachan or bahuvachanam? You remember Mandukya? In Mandukya, there is in Mula Mantra itself, Soyam Atma Chatushpat. Chatushpat, that is Ekvachanam. If it is said Chatushpadah, it will become Bahuvachanam. So here, because Pashava is Bahuvachanam, so Dvipadaha will be Bahuvachanam. Chatushpadaha will be Bahuvachanam. Dvipad Dvau Padau Yasya Saha Dvipad. Chatuhu Padau Yasya Saha Chatushpat. And Bahuvachanam will be Dvipadaha or Chatushpadaha. Sutra is there for this. Padasya lopo ahastyaadibhyah. Padasya lopo ahastyaadibhyah. 54138. So this sutra says, if it is hasti, then you have to use like hastipadah. There you have to use alopa. Otherwise, vyagrapat, simhapat. So hasti, other than hasti. It says, Sutra says padasya lopaha. What it means is in tadhita samasa. Anuvrittis of bahuvrihau upamanacha. So there is upapada. Asti will become upapada. Vyagra will become upapada. So in that, padasya lopa. Padasya lopa means that pada shabdasya lopaha. That is what it says. हस्त्यादि वर्जिताद उपमानाद परस्य पाद शब्द से लोपः स्यात् बहुव्रीहौ. If it is a बहुव्रीहि समास. So then path shabda will not come, padah separately will come if it is hasti. That is the sutra. Padasya lopo ahastyadibhyah. So dvipad is ekvachanam, dvipadaha is bahuvachanam. Iti shrutim ashritya manusyasya iti uktam. Uchitam hi atra hi shabdas tasmad arthe yasmad iti upakramat. Uchitam hi atra hi shabdah. He shabda here is appropriate. And therefore, tasmad arthe yasmad iti upakramat. He shabda is for tasmad, where payo hi agre, that he is there in the bhashya, last line on 344. Payo hi agre. Payo he means tasmat. Why? Because the topic started with yasmat. Yasman payo hi agre prathamam. Yasman manusyasya pashavasya paya eva upajivanti. Manusyas and pashu, they all live only by paya, by milk in the beginning of their life. Uchitam hi tesham tad annam. Anyatha katham tadeva agre niyamena upajiveyuhu. It is appropriate that it is annam for manushya and pashu. Anyatha, otherwise, how niyamena this dugdham will become their annam in the beginning, agre. Tika says, auchityam vyatireka dwara sadhayati, anyatha. If you don't say this is annam for pashu, Pashu means Manushya are also Pashu because Pashyati iti Pashu. Yogic artha if you take this way. And Pashunam Pati is Pashupati. So the Paramatma is there, Pati for all. नियमेन उपजीवेयुः. टीका. नियमेन प्रथमं पशूनां तद उपजीवनम असंप्रतिपन्नम इति शंकते. Somebody is questioning how niyamena this is prathamam pashunam tad upajivanam. Upajivanam means ashraya. How niyamena this paya is the ashraya for all pashu. It is asampratipannam means it is inappropriate. This is the doubt. Katham agre tadeva upajivanti iti uchyate. How do you say in the beginning tadeva upajivanti? Means payeva upajivanti. मनुष्य विषये वा प्रश्नस तद इतर पशु विषये वा इति पृच्छति. Question is asked now whether this your objection is against manushya or pashu, means other pashus. उच्यते मनुष्याश्च पशवश्च यस्मात् तेन एव अन्येन वर्तन्ते अद्यत्वे अपि यथा पित्रादौ विनियोगः कृतस्तस्मात् कुमारं बालं जातं घृतं वा त्रैवर्णिका जातकर्मणि जातरूपसंयुक्तं प्रतिलेहयन्ति प्राशयन्ति स्तनं वा अनुधापयन्ति पश्चात् पाययन्ति. मनुष्याश्च पशवश्च यस्मात् both of them अन्येन एव वर्तन्ते अद्यत्वे अपि even now through manushya also pashu other pashus also all. How? As Pita means the earlier Jagat Pita, how he did the Vinyoga. Vinyoga means he gave that this is for pashus also. This annam is for, milk is for pashu. Vinyoga krita. Tasmat kumaram balam jatam. Then what happens is this kumara, newborn child, घृतम वा त्रैवर्णिका jata karmani, when his jata karma is done, the samskaras, then they give him ghritam, ghee. With what? Jata rupa sanyuktam. Jata rupa means gold. Second number tippani. Swarna yuktam, suvarnam. Ghrite gharshayitva. Take suvarna and rub it in ghee. And that ghee, they will make him, they will put it on his tongue. Jata rupa sanyuktam ghritam pratilehayanti. They make him lick that. Prashayanti. Athva stanam va anudhapayanti. Paschat payanti. Or they will make the mother's stanam in the mouth of the baby, and then that baby will drink. Child will drink. Whether it is manushya or pashu, both. In forest, if something happens like a horse is there or lion is there, tiger there, baby, nobody will do this. Is it domestic animals or in family, children, etc.? They will do this samskara. Anudhapayanti, what is the dhatu? No, dhet. Dhet, pane dhatu is there. Nijanta is there. That's why pakara comes. Dhapayanti. And payayanti, pa pane dhatu is there. टीका. मनुष्य विषये वा प्रश्न, तत्र आद्यम अनुभव अवष्टंभेन प्रत्याचष्टे मनुष्याश्च. आद्य अनुभव means first is about मनुष्य. चकारो मनुष्य मात्र संग्रहार्थ है for all मनुष्यस. तेनैव पयसा एव इति यावत्. By milk alone. So modern medical science and all of them, they say that mother's milk is the best for that newborn. पयसा एव इति यावत्. घृतम वा इति वा शब्दो वक्ष्यमाण विकल्प द्योतकः. घृतम is a विकल्प. Milk or ghee. जात रूपम means हेम सुवर्णम. त्रैवर्णिकेभ्यो अन्येषां जात कर्म अभावात्. त्रैवर्णिकेभ्यः is given, त्रैवर्णिकाः is given in the bhashya. Why do you say only त्रैवर्णिका? Because अन्येषां जात कर्म अभावात्. They don't do जात कर्मादि संस्कार. योग्यताम अनतिक्रम्य स्तनम एव जातम कुमारम प्रथमम पाययन्ति इत्याह. In other case, sanskara they may not do, but a child will have milk only, that is for sure. Sanskara, that karma will not be there. So in Manushya, they say you have to do 48 samskaras. Antima samskara, to we know, Antyashti. 48 samskaras. This is total. A reduced number is 16 samskara, Shodasha samskara. So in certain Smriti, they have given all the list. So these are early samskaras. भाष्य यथा संभवम अन्येषां स्तनम एव अग्रे धापयन्ति मनुष्येभ्यो अन्येषां पशूनां. फॉर अदर पशुस यथा संभवम स्तनम एव अग्रे धापयन्ति. Because yatha sambhavam, because if something happens in forest and all, then there is nobody. Where possible, they do it. अथ वत्सम जातम आहुः कियत् प्रमाणो वत्स इति एवं पृष्टाः सन्तः अतृणाद इति. If some, how do we know? So he gives some simple laukika drishtanta. Let's say a cow is there, a calf is born. Atha vatsa jatam, vatsa, calf is there. Kiyat pramanaha vatsa, if somebody will ask, how old is this calf? I mean, how big it is since the birth, how big it has grown. Iti evam prishtaha santaha atranada. Atranada is not eating grass yet. This is means he is eating only milk in this way. Tika. यद्वा तेषां जातकर्म अनधिकृतानां जातं कुमारं घृतं वा स्तनं वा प्रथमं पाययन्ति इति यावत्. For those which are not doing jatakarma, like the Chaturtha Varna or for other Pashu, etc., they will just have घृतम और स्तनम, स्तनपानम. पशु विषयम प्रश्नम पशवश्च इति सूचित समाधानम प्रत्याह. पशु विषयम प्रश्नम, if the question is पशु विषयक, पशवश्च इति सूचित समाधानम. पशवश्च is in the mantra. Pashu vishayam prashnam pashavasya iti samadhanam is stanam eva payayanti. Stanam eva agare dhapayanti. Pashunam jatam vatsam iti sambandha. Vatsa is a baby, a calf, but it is Pashu Shabda you can use for both. Pashunam jatam, so Manushyanam jatam is also Manushya. Child is also called Vatsa. You will see sometime. Hey Vatsa, that's how they will address. But because here it is given Atranada, therefore you have to understand it is only for Chatushpat Pashu, other animals. Pashunam पयो अन्नम इति अत्र लोक प्रसिद्धम प्रमाणयति अथ इति द्विपाद पशवधिकार विच्छेदार्थो अथ शब्दः पश 7 नंबर टिप्पणी पश्वाधिकार it should be पशु अधिकार also we can do विच्छेद द्विपाद पशु अधिकार विच्छेदार्थो अथ शब्द अधिकार means that is the prakaranam अथ शब्द is अथ वत्सम जातम that one प्रतिवचनम व्याचष्टे इन भाष्य नाद्यापि तृणम अति इव बालः पयसा एव अद्यापि वर्तत इत्यर्थः even now he is not eating grass, he is still drinking milk only. In other words, Acharya is only showing this pramanam that milk is the annam for Pashu, Manushya as well as the Chatushpad Pashu. Now on this there is a question. Next page. Nanu. Yesham agre घृतोपजीवित्वम उपलभ्यते पयस्ते नोपजीवन्ति घृतपयसोर्भेदात् अतः पश्वन्नत्वं पयसो भागासिद्धिम अत आह. Yesham, for those people who are in the beginning of their life, agre घृत उपजीवित्वम, those who take ghee in the beginning, that means they are not depending upon milk. Somebody is asking a question. They continuously don't take ghee, okay? And don't feel that what kind of question is this and why, what is the need of this discussion? It is there, so Ghrita is different, Payas is different. Then why you said they are depending upon Payas only for their Jivanam? Payaha te na upajivanti. Dhritapayasor bhedat ataha pashvannatvam. In that there is bhaga siddhi. Means not for everyone that there is ghee, but for some there is ghee. So bhaga siddhi means in one part there is okay, but in another part there is asiddha. This vakya is asiddha. यच्च अग्रे जात कर्मादौ घृतम उपजीवन्ति यच्च इतरे पय एव तत् सर्वथापि पय एव उपजीवन्ति. In jata karma sanskara, those who depend upon घृतम means that is given to them, and itare others they depend upon paya milk. So sarvathapi they are supported by milk only. ननु घृतम उपजीवन्तो अपि पयैव उपजीवन्ति इति अयुक्तम तद भेदस्य उक्तत्वात् तत्राह. But if you say Ghritam upajivanti, then Paya eva upajivanti, you cannot say because they are different. Ghritasyapi payo vikaratvat payastvam eva. Ghrita is nothing but paya karyam. Therefore, it is paya only. Payastvam tasya. Tika. मंत्र पाठ क्रमम अतिक्रम्य पश्वन्य व्याख्याते प्रत्यवतिष्ठते. मंत्र पाठ क्रमम अतिक्रम्य. So there is Pathakrama and there is Arthakrama. And which one is Baliyan? Arthakrama. This we have seen in Artha Sangraha. Meaning is more important than the Krama. What is the Drishtanta? What is the Drishtanta for Pathakrama and Arthakrama?
वेदः प्रमाणम.
No. Agnihotraम juhoti yavagum pachati.
Yes.
So this is the Pathakrama. Agnihotram juhoti, he will do Agnihotra Homa. Yavagum pachati, he cooks Yavagu. But what he should do first? Yavagu paka, then Agnihotra Havanam. So this Drishtanta you should remember because these are classic. Anyway, we don't study much Artha Sangraha. Only whatever we study these, because those are the ones which are quoted. So you should know. तर्क संग्रह में कहा this दृष्टांत. Okay. So this much we know. So here he says Pathakrama he is doing Atikramanam. Pashvanya Vyakhyate Pratyavatiष्ठते. In Bhashya. Kasmat Punaha, second line. Saptamam Sat Pashvannam Chaturdhatvena Vyakhyayate. Because the Krama was given in this way. Ekam Sadharanam Annam. Dve Devebhyaha. Tisraha?
Pashva.
No, Pashva was the last one. One is Sadharanam, then Devebhyaha, then 3 for oneself. And the last is Pashvan. So Pathakrama is this way. In the explanation in Arthakrama, he did the 3. Vang, Manaha, Shrotra. These, I think, he has not discussed yet. So he's brought the Pashvannam first. That is the question. Kasmat? Pathakrama according to mantra. That's why it is a mantra Pathakrama. Is in this order. So Vyakhyanam is done by Brahmana. Brahmana Vyakhyanam, why it is according to different order than mantra? That is the question. Mantra Pathakramam Atikramya Pashvanya Vyakhyate in Bhashya. Kasmat Punaha Saptamam Sat Pashvannam Chaturthatvena Vyakhyayate. Why it is given as Chaturtha? द्वे in टीका द्वे देवान अभाजयत इति व्याख्याते साधने साधनत्व अविशेषात् पयोपि बुद्धिस्थम इति अर्थ क्रमम आश्रित्य परिहरति. Because he said द्वे देवान अभाजयत, 2 he gave to devatas. Darsha Purnamasa, some question somebody asked. Darsha Purnamasa. So there is Nitya and Kamya. Like Agnihotra also, there is Nitya Agnihotra and there is Kamya Agnihotra also. Just because the Agnihotra doesn't mean it is always the same. And therefore, what is being referred here is in general. Either of them. The Nitya you have to do without Kama. Kamya Karma is for Swarga. Both ways there we saw. So when it is given Dve Devan Abhajayat, Vyakhyanam is done. So then that Darsha Purnamasa, that is your sadhana. Vyakhyate sadhane, sadhanatva avisheshat, payopi buddhistham. So then paya is also a sadhana. Therefore, immediately he explains that. Because it is already there in buddhi, buddhistham. How it came? Because in Darsha Purnamasa, Indram Dadhi, Indram Payaha, through that you already have the memory. So he immediately puts Arthakramam Ashritya Pariharati. Karma hi Paya Sadhana Ashrayam Agnihotradi. Karma hi Paya Sadhana Ashrayam. Paya Sadhanasya Paya Sadhanam Ashrayo Yasya Karmanaha Tatkarma Paya Sadhana Ashrayam. Agnihotradi karma. So you have to do Anvaya this way. Agnihotradi karma is ashrita in paya as its sadhana. Milk is one of the main ingredient for that also in Agnihotra. Tadeva spashtayati karma hi. Karma sadhanatvat karma hi. Yadyapi टीका पयोरूपम साधनम आश्रित्य कर्म प्रवृत्तम तथापि दर्श पूर्ण मासानंतर्यम कथम पयसः सिद्ध्यति तत्राह. पयोरूपम साधनम आश्रित्य कर्म प्रवृत्तम. कर्म functions with paya as its sadhanam. Payorupam sadhanam आश्रित्य कर्म प्रवृत्तम तथापि दर्श पूर्ण मासानंतर्यम कथम पयसः सिद्ध्यति. दर्श पूर्ण मास आनंतर्यम thereafter कथम पयसः सिद्ध्यति. पयसः पंचमी. इन भाष्य तच्च कर्म साधनम वित्त साध्यम वक्षमाणस्य अन्नत्रयस्य साध्यस्य. The Vakshamana Annatraya is Sadhya. And for that, so the 7 Annams are there, of which 4th one we are discussing. The remaining 3, they will become your Sadhya. Karma Sadhanam Vitta Sadhyam. Tacha Karma Sadhanam Vitta Sadhyam Vakshamanasya Annatrayasya Sadhyasya. So the other 3, Vitta Sadhya means, Vitta here you have to take as Dugdha. In Hindi they have given. Vitta Sadhya means Dugdha Sadhya. In Tika also Anand Giriji has given. Vittena means Payasa. Vittena Payasa Sadhyam. So with the help of this milk, karma gets accomplished. Then karma will produce the other 3 annam. That anya becomes sadhya. Produce means everybody has those indriyas, which will be talked about. But their shuddhi will happen when Agnihotradi karmas are performed. The other 3 annam, why it is called Vakshamanasya Anyatrayasya Sadhyasya. Karma is sadhanam. For which sadhya? The Annatraya. That Annatraya is purified when Agnihotradi etc. are done. That is why karma is sadhanam. Vitta sadhyam vakshamanasya annasya annatrayasya sadhyasya. See in Tika. Vittena payasa sadhyam कर्मान्नत्रयस्य साधनम इति अत्र दृष्टान्तम आह. यथा दर्शपूर्णमासौ पूर्वोक्तौ अन्ये. दर्शपूर्णमास, they are also sadhana, and they will also produce these three sadhya, these three anna. So milk also is sadhana for annatraya, the remaining three anna. Just like Darsha Purnamasa is also sadhana for the other three anna. The other three anna is the indriya, which is where Shuddhi will happen through either Darsha Purnamasa or Agnihotradi. Means some sadhana, if I do, then only these indriyas are available to all. But those indriyas are of no use if I don't use them for Jnana Nishtha. So the Jnana Nishtha will come only through Krama. And that's why, because Agnihotra he discussed as a sadhana for remaining Annatraya, Payaha is also sadhana for remaining Annatraya. Therefore, the order he explained, first Sadharanam Annam, then Darsha Purnamasa, then Payaha. Then he will talk about the other three, which is the Sadhya Anna. He explains that in Bhashya and the last line of Tika. See, Ataha karma pakshatvat karmana saha pindikrityo upadeshaha. Karma pakshatvat karmana saha, because right now we are talking about all sadhana. Karma is sadhana, Darsha Purnamasa is also sadhana. And therefore, it is put together. Milk and Darsha Purnamasa is pindikritya upadesha. In Tika he elaborates, Purvoktau Darsha Purnamasav द्वे देवान्ये वक्ष्यमाणस्य अन्नत्रयस्य यथा साधनम. दर्श पूर्णमासौ साधनम. For who? वक्ष्यमाणस्य अन्नत्रयस्य. तथा in the same way पयसो अपि अग्निहोत्रादि द्वारा तत् साधनत्वात्. In the same way milk is also sadhanam to accomplish agnihotradi. And therefore, karma koti nivishtatvat. Milk, payas is also in the karma koti, like Darsha Purnamas. Therefore, tad vyakyananantaryam payo vyakhyanasya yuktam ityartha. So, therefore, after Darsha Purnamasa, payo vyakhyanam is yuktam. पाठक्रमस्तर ही कथम इति आशंक्य अर्थक्रमेण तद्बाधम अभिप्रेत्य आह. So then why Pathakrama is like this? So it is said, Arthakrama can do Badha of Pathakrama. Arthakramena tad Badham. Pathakrama Badha. Arthakrama can negate Pathakrama. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति।